Hey guys, this is the Great Gamer, and I'm going to be showing you how to destroy your LG flip phone. As you can see, this one's already pretty messed up, but still sort of works. So, I'll get back to you and show you my first step. Okay guys, and I have the flip phone here. It's pretty messed up already, as you can see. But the first step I want you to do is put it in some water, just like I'm doing, and just leave it there for a little. Let it die. And try to wait until this thing is completely broken. Just put it in anything like this. Just leave it there for like an hour, your LG flip phone, and then you should have a perfectly non-functional LG flip phone. Now let's get on to the next step. Actually, let me take this out of the water first. Looks like it's still turned on. Okay, now let's get to the next step. Okay guys, here's the next step on how to ruin your flip phone. Just try to do what I'm doing. Just break it. Oh my gosh. Wow. And now you got two parts. You got this, the broken screen, and you got the half a flip phone. As you can see, no functionality is coming out of this anymore. I mean, it might still be functioning inside, but this renders the flip phone useless, so yeah, I guess that's a good way to destroy your LG flip phone. Okay guys, and that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and bye!